Having taken a look at the text identified by Kira Smart Fields, you might want to add additional information about the clause or provision. For example, for termination for convenience provision, you might want to know if it is one-way or two-way and what the notice period is. Kira has you covered through its system of flags and free text tags and summaries. If it is information that pertains to an individual clause or concept in the document, such as specific terms for termination or owner's assignment provisions, you can tag at the field level. To do so, just click the tag icon at the right of the box of the identified text you wish to tag. You will see a drop-down of some of the field level tags that have already been applied, if any, and you can either choose one of those or just type a unique one. Then you press enter and you will see the tag appear within the extraction box. If it is information that pertains to the document as a whole, such as needing review by local counsel or another practice area, or having only a draft version of the contract, you can tag it at the document level. To do so, go to the Document Details tab at the top of the page, and underneath Tags, if you hover over it, you have the option to add tags. When you click, you can add whatever tag you need to. And once you press enter, the tag will be applied at the document level. All of the tags that are applied are filterable and can be easily quantified in the tags page, which we will walk through later on in the video. By thinking through a system of tags you would like to apply throughout the review, you can substantially enhance the deal management experience through organized data that is readily available and filterable by the click of a button. It is always good practice to have a list of tags to be used to ensure that reviewers throughout the deal team use the tags consistently. Because they are free text, tagging a clause, for example, as here as IP team to review, or a different one as IP team, will create two separate filtered tag categories and thus would diminish the power of your tagging strategy. Also keep in mind that not all data is made for tags. If you create too many tag variations, you risk losing the power of the tags. A common error is using tags for internal questions, such as when a junior lawyer on the deal is uncertain about what decision to make on a specific clause. Rather than typing the question in a tag, you can always just use the summary box above. Once you add your question to the summary box, you could always just go back into document details and assign the document to a senior lawyer. Even if you don't have questions, the summary box is a useful way to simply summarize key points where Kira has extracted a whole lot of text. Keep in mind, though, that text within a summary box is not going to be filterable, but you still can export any of the text that you put in summary boxes if you choose to do so. Another simple way to create an alert that does not require any creativity or analysis is to simply flag the extraction. You can do this to perhaps flag to the senior lawyer on the team to take a second look, or to flag that a clause is something that might be onerous on the client. To do so, just go into the extraction box and then click the flag icon, and you'll see it light up as red. In the document list, you can filter out for just the documents that contain a flagged extraction, and as you'll see in the overview of exports, you will have the option for the text that has been flagged to appear in red font. At any point throughout the project, you can go to the tags page, which is available in the left navigation bar of the document list. And here you'll see a list of all the tags created, whether they be automated tags for things like document type, language, or OCR quality, or tags that the deal team created themselves at both the document level and at the field level. Finally, you can also see any of the extractions where a flag has been applied. You can automatically filter out for just the documents that contain any tag or flag by simply clicking on the bar. And if you want to see a more concise version of tags and flags, you can filter out which documents that you want to look at through the filter bar at the top. You can do it by document type, or you can even do it by only documents that are assigned to yourself, or one of the many other filterable options. If you're a senior lawyer in the deal team, have a think about how you want your team to utilize the tags, flags, and summaries for the review project, as they can be great tools to create seamless internal communication as well as organize outputs for your clients.